that is a real important message. World Press Photo is a real deal. Was one of the favorite topics of your brother. And your brother really wanted to do that. But your brother disappeared in the very difficult years we had here not too long ago. So today, your brother cannot be with us, but we are with him. And with that, we think of all the people actually that fought very hard against IS. And I think the Peshmerga did a real big job in it. So let's honor those guys and let's be silent for a short moment. I have a speech in my pocket. And normally I have a table in front and I put it down. Yeah, what you see here is the World Press Photo Exhibition. And it is a very important exhibition because you see a collection of the most impressive photos in the world. And you probably may not know that this actually is a Dutch thing. World Press comes from the Netherlands, from Holland. In 1955, a couple of Dutch photojournalists came together and they decided to establish this non-profit NGO. And the reason behind that was that these guys really thought that the pictures they saw were of a very high quality and that the topics they covered were very important as well. So they decided that they wanted to show these photographs to a larger audience. And so it happened. After a first hesitant start in Amsterdam, my capital city, World Press Photo is now traveling the world. And now, after 65 years, for the first time in Haarlem. What will you see? 142 photographs covering 18 different themes. Environment, climate change, conflict, pollution, lack of human rights, and so on. Not very happy topics, always. Not very happy topics, but always very beautifully made and very professional pictures. And therefore you see that the World Press Photo Prize amongst photographers became a very high esteemed recognition. So what you see today is the best of the best in photojournalism. Right, I'm finalizing. The Happy Little Kingdom, the Netherlands, my country, Holland, presents an overview of the best pictures of the last 3 years. And we sincerely hope that these pictures will start many conversations amongst you at home, at the kitchen table. What you see, what does it mean for you personally? What does it mean in the Kurdistan context? That is important, and that is actually the deeper meaning behind hosting this exhibition. There are some talks as well. Ahmed Najim, he will host 2 discussion sessions here in the coming period, in the coming 2 weeks, to discuss the issues that are here on display. Thank you for all your work. Thank you for what you have done. Thanking you for making your brother's dream come true. And thanking the High Commission as well, the Citadel, to work with us, the 3 of us, on this important exhibition. Thank you very much.
together. Yes. My brother goes
هم ساله استاش حلوه بخير
By that time, he was kind of studying when we were.
And then, for the first time ever, he suggested, do you want me to try for you?
I will do it outdoor in cinema. Yeah, but I need a place that's like having a same balance like Abdul and so on. At present is the same.
Oh wait, what about in the bazaar? All that reconstructed.
حسب شي ذاك حسب شي ذاك يا استاذ
أول اشتغلوا وكانوا كيلو زي هناك
Lehetőség, azt tartós.